Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at something extremely lightweight, extremely fast, and definitely eye-catching. The MCHOSE A7X Ultra wireless gaming mouse. It features a magnesium alloy shell, an 8,000 Hz wireless polling rate, and the PAW3950 Ti flagship sensor. So let's unbox it and see if this futuristic design is worth the upgrade. Inside the box, you get a surprisingly complete accessory set. There's a storage pouch, mouse feet stickers, bottom protective film, anti-slip grip tape, the user manual and warranty card, and two receivers, a standard 1K receiver and an 8K accelerator dongle that unlocks the mouse's full performance. The overall presentation feels clean and premium, signaling that this isn't your everyday budget mouse. The A7X Ultra uses a magnesium alloy shell, which is both rigid and incredibly lightweight. At just 53 grams, it's impressive how light a metal mouse can feel. The large hollow cutouts on the back and open bottom design reveal the inner PCB and give the mouse an industrial mechanical aesthetic, definitely something that stands out on a desk. The shell is coated with what the company calls ice flow glacier coating, which feels smooth, cool, and sweat resistant. It maintains a dry, comfortable grip during long sessions. If you're familiar with GPW-style mice, the shape feels somewhat similar, but thanks to the metal and hollow structure, there's none of that top-heavy imbalance some ultralight designs struggle with. Before we go deeper, if you're finding value in this breakdown, hit that like button. It tells YouTube you actually care about honest reviews with no BS and no fluff. And if you want to stay on top of the latest gadgets worth your money, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Clicking the main buttons reveals Omron Optical Switches rated for 70 million clicks. They feel crisp, responsive, and fast. The scroll wheel uses a TTC Gold encoder, giving precise, well-defined steps and a solid middle click feel. The side buttons aren't quite at the same premium level as the main clicks, but they're still reliable and easy to access. Inside, the mouse is powered by a Realtek flagship chipset that supports dual 8K polling and top-speed wireless transmission. Paired with the PAW3950 Ti sensor, you get extremely low latency, lossless data transmission, and stable wireless performance. With the included 8K dongle, the mouse reaches an ultra-high 8,000 Hz polling rate, delivering 0.125 ms response times, roughly 8 times faster than a standard gaming mouse. In terms of ergonomics, the mouse is designed for medium to large hands. With a 17.5 cm hand using a claw grip, it feels slightly on the larger side, but still well controlled. The hollow metal structure keeps the underside ventilated, providing a cool touch. And because the palm doesn't completely rest on the back of the mouse in a claw grip, the cutouts never feel intrusive or uncomfortable. Of course, comfort will vary depending on your hand size and grip style. So, who is this mouse for? If you want a GPW-inspired shape, but with a hollow metal shell, flagship components, and a unique visual appeal, the MCHOSE A7X Ultra offers a compelling and premium package. The only real downsides are dust buildup inside the open chassis and the need to be a little more careful if you snack near your setup. Would you pick this over a traditional lightweight plastic mouse? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.